I'm going to show you how to remove the glove box on a Subaru. The first thing you're going to do is remove all the contents. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to come to the right side on the passenger side. And you're going to see this little tab here, and it's gone and it goes over this little stopper. You're just going to pull that up, what holds it into place. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to put your right hand on the outside of the box here, and your right hand here, you're going to squeeze and pull down, and that's going to drop down your glove box, and that's how you remove your glove box. To put it back on, put these little hooks back on the back. You're going to squeeze that in. That will come into place. And then that little stopper, you'll have to grab that, pull it down, push it over, and you are done. If you need to change your air filter, and this works on a variety of Subarus,